What if you could write a full YouTube script in 5 minutes without staring at a blank screen? Writing isn't the hardest part, it's starting. It's finding structure, tone, and clarity under pressure, especially when the camera's waiting and your content calendar isn't slowing down. AI tools are quietly transforming how creators plan, write, and polish their scripts, and they're way smarter than you think. Whether you're a solo creator, part of a content team, or someone trying to streamline their YouTube workflow, this is for you. After exploring dozens of tools and seeing how they hold up in real content workflows, these 7 stood out for speed, clarity, and impact. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tools can save you hours, boost creativity, and help you publish faster without sacrificing quality. Number 1. Subscriber. If you've ever stared at a blank doc thinking, where do I even start? Subscriber fixes that. It's an AI writing assistant made specifically for YouTube creators, not bloggers, not marketers, just creators like you who need scripts that actually work for watch time. The real pain it solves: organizing your thoughts in a way that holds attention. You've got an idea, maybe a title, but turning that into a full, engaging script, that's where most creators get stuck. Subscriber helps you go from idea to structured draft in minutes. You drop in a video title or rough topic, and it builds everything from the hook to the CTA, tailored to YouTube formats that are proven to retain viewers. What sets it apart is how creator-focused it is. You get retention-optimized script templates, adjustable tone settings, and even feedback tools to improve how your script will perform. It's basically built around the psychology of audience engagement. It's easy to use, offers a solid free plan, and honestly, it feels like it understands how creators think. If you're tired of scripting from scratch and want something that thinks like a YouTuber, Subscriber is worth adding to your stack. Number 2, Jasper. Jasper isn't just another AI writer. It's like your personal content strategist who never runs out of energy. If you've ever had a great idea but couldn't get the tone just right, or you write one section and then stall out completely, Jasper steps in exactly where you need it. You start by giving it a brief, could be a title, a short description, or even just a vibe you're going for, and it can build a full script that actually flows. Whether you're doing a tutorial, commentary, or storytelling format, Jasper adapts fast. What makes it stand out? 2 things: tone control and structure. You can train it to match your voice, and it remembers it, so whether you're writing 1 video or 50, your style stays consistent. Plus, it offers YouTube-specific templates that give your scripts a polished, natural rhythm. It's especially useful when you're juggling multiple channels or client content. It helps you stay sharp, avoid burnout, and hit deadlines without compromising quality. There's a free trial to explore, it's secure, and it plays well with other tools in your workflow. Bottom line, if you want to go from scattered thoughts to a clean, confident draft, Jasper makes it feel effortless. Number 3, Synthesia. Let's face it, recording videos isn't always fun. Maybe you're short on time, your setup's not ready, or you're just not feeling camera ready. That's where Synthesia changes the game. It takes your script and turns it into a full video, complete with a realistic AI presenter. No lights, no mic, no editing software needed. Here's how it fits into your workflow. You finish your script, drop it into Synthesia, choose from a wide range of avatars, and boom. You've got a professional-looking video ready to go. You can even pick different languages, accents, and tones to match your brand or audience. What really sets it apart is the quality of the avatars and voices. It's not that robotic, glitchy stuff. These look and sound sharp, perfect for explainer content, tutorials, or faceless YouTube channels. You save hours on recording and editing, and the emotional payoff: total freedom from production stress. There's a free version to get a feel for it, and plans are pretty creator-friendly. If getting in front of a camera slows you down, Synthesia lets you create pro-level videos without ever hitting record. Number 4, Squibbler. Sometimes the hardest part of writing a script is finishing it. You start strong, the ideas are flowing, and then you hit that wall. Squibbler is built to keep you moving. It's a clean, AI-powered writing tool that helps you stay in flow, structure your ideas quickly, and avoid the spiral of endless rewrites. You can start with just a headline or a basic concept, and Squibbler helps turn it into a full outline or even a script draft. The co-writing feature is like having a second brain. You write a sentence, it suggests the next one, keeping your momentum going. What's unique here is the balance between structure and speed. It has story flow tools that keep your narrative on track and distraction-free modes that help you lock in when it's time to write. It's perfect for creators who get stuck in the middle of a script or over-edit everything to death. Squibbler makes it easier to finish what you start. It's web-based, easy to use, and yes, there's a free version to try out. If you're someone who starts strong but struggles to finish, Squibbler might be exactly what you need to cross that finish line faster. Number 5, ClickUp. Let's be honest, writing the script is just one piece of the YouTube puzzle. You've also got brainstorms, outlines, thumbnails, edits, uploads, and a dozen deadlines flying around. ClickUp helps you keep all of it under control. It's a productivity platform that combines planning, task management, and now built-in AI writing tools, so you can manage your entire YouTube pipeline and get help generating content all in one place. Say you're working on 5 video ideas. You can drop each one into its own task, add a script draft with the AI tool, assign a due date, and track every step, from scripting to final upload. No bouncing between apps. No wondering, wait, did I already write the hook for this one? What makes it stand out is how customizable it is. Whether you're solo or working with a team, ClickUp adjusts to your workflow instead of the other way around. There's a solid free plan, and once you get the hang of it, it becomes a creative HQ. If scripting is just one part of your content process, ClickUp helps you keep everything else moving smoothly without dropping the ball. Number 6. Writer. Ever get stuck on the first line or stare at your screen trying to write the perfect CTA? Writer is the tool you reach for when you need quick, clean writing help without overcomplicating things. It's a lightweight AI writing assistant that's great for short-form content, especially when you're fine-tuning sections like video hooks, descriptions, or intros. You pick your use case, say YouTube video idea or intro paragraph, set the tone, and let Writer generate a few versions. It's fast, surprisingly sharp, and works best when you need to unstick your writing process. What's nice is the variety of tones and languages it supports, over 30 of each. So whether you're writing for a niche audience or translating for global viewers, it's got your back. It also doesn't overwhelm you with features. The UI is simple, focused, and gets you straight to results. And yep, there's a free plan with monthly credits to get started. If you want a no-fuss way to generate solid ideas, tweak your messaging, or just stop second-guessing your intro, Writer helps you get it done fast. Number 7. Kuso.ai. Before you write a single word, there's one big question. What should this video even be about? That's where Kuso.ai comes in. It's your research and strategy co-pilot, built to help you create content that people are already searching for. Unlike most AI tools that jump straight into writing, Kuso starts earlier. You go to topic or a keyword, and it returns high-interest video ideas, outlines, and SEO insights. So you're not just making content, you're making relevant content. Here's how it fits into your workflow. You're planning next week's uploads. Drop a niche topic into Kuso, and it suggests specific angles, hooks, and script structures based on real trends and audience behavior. It's like having a content strategist quietly working behind the scenes. What makes it different is its focus on visibility. It doesn't just help you write, it helps you write the right thing. It's super simple to use with a clean interface, no steep learning curve, and a generous free plan. If you want your scripts to be seen and clicked, Kuso.ai helps you start smarter, plan sharper, and stay ahead of what your audience actually wants. So here's the big takeaway. These AI tools aren't just cool shortcuts, they're real solutions to the stuff that slows you down. From idea generation to full scripts to even polished video production, you've now got a stack of tools that can make the entire content process faster, smoother, and way less stressful. And the best part? You don't need to use all of them. Just pick the one or two that fit your workflow right now and watch how much easier things get. Now I'm curious, which of these tools are you most excited to try out? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're adding to your creative setup. If this video helped simplify your process or sparked a new idea, hit that like button. It really helps more creators find content like this. And if you want more breakdowns like this every week, don't forget to subscribe. The future of content creation isn't just faster, it's smarter. And now you've got the tools to stay ahead of it.